So I'm going to simulate a map sensor here real quick. Take a look at the diagram. All right, so I'm going to hook up this 5-volt supply, sensor ground, and then the actual signal. Let's see. This is going to be my signal wire, which is pin 8. This blue one, that's going to be my 5 volts. This is going to be my sensor ground at number. Okay, and we can see the little lamp on here. We can use our meter here. Let's check the voltage. Yeah, so we have 4.9 volts, which is normal. That's what it should be. Let's see what else. Let's hook up. Let's hook up this oscilloscope to the signal wire. So if you watch here, this is a 5-volt division. So this 1 square is 5 volt. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Let's make it 1 volt division. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So now at the very top will be 5, and we can see that our plot is changing all the way to 5 volts. Okay, so we can go from 0 to 5 here with our potentiometer. Okay, so right now I have it on low, so let's read codes and see if we have a map sensor code. I'm not seeing the code here. Let's go look in the live data and see if it will see it. So I'm going to turn it halfway here. We can see our boost volts going up. So it is reading the sensor right. So let's set it at 1 volt. Okay, so I have it about 1 volt now. And there we go, you'll see it. It says 0.98, so that's basically 1 volt. Let's turn it up to 3. All right, so I got about 3 volts here. And there we go, we see 3 there. So the live data is reading exactly what it's supposed to. So I don't see any problem with the map sensor at all. Okay, so right here we have a code of P0238, which is the map sensor voltage is too high. So I'm going to turn this back down to, let's just say about 2.3, something like that. Now I'm going to erase codes. And we're going to see that 238 disappear. There you go, you see it's gone now. So the ECU is reading the map sensor correctly, and it is processing the code and erasing the code when it's necessary.